So now that you are familiar with what Python is and why it's worth learning, it's time to set up your programming environment. This involves downloading and installing Python itself and an integrated development environment, so IDE, where you can write and run your Python code. In this lesson, we will use PyCharm, one of the most popular IDEs for Python development. What's then IDE? An integrated development environment is a software application that provides a comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. An IDE typically consists of a source code editor, build automation tools, and a debugger. Most modern IDEs have intelligent code completions. For example, for Python, some of the most popular IDEs include PyCharm, VSCode, and Eclipse with the PyDev plugin. But we are going to use PyCharm. Why we are going to use PyCharm? PyCharm is a dedicated IDE for Python, developed by JetBrains. It offers various features to enhance productivity, code quality, and project management. Here are some reasons to use PyCharm. Smart code navigation, quickly jump to function definitions, modules, or classes in your project. Code completions, PyCharm provides suggestions for completing names and keywords within the coding context. Error highlighting, real-time error checking and highlighting helps to write error-free code and more efficiently. Integrated debugger and test runner. These tools help you debug your program and run your test directly within the IDE. Support for web development. PyCharm integrates with frameworks like Django, Flask, and others. Of course, we will talk about them later, and it's making it easy to develop web application. Plugin ecosystem. Extend the capabilities by PyCharm by using plugins such as those for other programming language, version control systems, and integration with different tools. And first of all, we are going to install the Python. So right there, visit the python.org website, and then navigate to the downloads. And the website usually should suggest you the version for your operating system. You can just check it if it is for your operating system over there. And you should download and then install the version that is recommended for you. The very important part, whenever you're installing on the Windows, there will be the option check the box that says add Python to path before clicking install one. This step is crucial as it makes Python accessible from the command line. Whenever you will just install your Python on your operating system, the next step is to go and download the PyCharm from JetBrains.com. First of all, you can Google it by going to Google PyCharm, and whenever you are going to get to that website, you should go to download and you will see the PyCharm Professional. Remember to choose your operating system. It's up to you what you are using, but don't download the professional version because it's a paid version. Whenever we are using PyCharm and Python right now in that course, the community edition is enough, and that version I will also use over there when we are going to create everything. Whenever you download and install PyCharm and Python, of course, you will have welcome to PyCharm whenever you open your PyCharm. And to start the project, what we need to do is to go there, and there we are going to create a new project. So first lesson, it will be my project. Remember that we've got over there, and here we are going to create. Wait a few seconds, and here we've got our Python IDE. So we need to familiarize ourselves with the layout. The left pane that you can see over there typically shows your project files. The bottom should log and terminal. For example, whenever you create the terminal over there and run it, and whenever you would like to, for example, run Python code, you don't need anything more, just to run main, and that's all. So it's very easy for that time being. We'll not complicate it with plugins, addition. I will just stick to that. And in the next lesson, we'll just start to writing our first code inside the PyCharm. So stay tuned and see you in the next lesson.